called you a cowboy. What did he mean? What are you?
Just a humble bounty hunter, ma'am.
Hello people on the internet, and welcome back to my channel. And before we get into any of this bullshit I have going on today, there's Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat if you're feeling spicy. Let's get into it. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Thank you. And before we get into this, I have to tell you right now that this is a last minute, out of the blue situation. My hair's not even curled under this. It's in plaits. Plaits. Anyway, so today me Nagaruni up here sitting, and we were thinking, we were like, what can we do right now other than what we need to do? You know what came up here? You know what filtered through the old Nagaruni? We are going to bleach the first 2 strands of this wig. Say hi. Don't embarrass me. Say hi. Stop. She's so shy. Oh my god. Just say hi to them. Oh my god. No? She's so shy. I don't even know where she gets it from. It must be her father. I'm impulsively, because I just thought about this about 10 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago, 6 minutes, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thought about this not too long ago, like very fast. I also impulsively posted some really nice pictures on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. You can't go wrong. I mean, look at that. Period. So, what was I saying? Yes. We're impulsively finna dye the first 2 strands of this wig and probably bleach the what's it called? The knots, the roots, the lace, the underneath the lace thing. We're gonna bleach that too. I watched literally one YouTube video on it, so this could go one of 2 ways. It can go really well or really bad. If it goes really well, there will be pictures posted on the Instagram. If it goes really bad, I'm gonna jump out the window. That one right there. That one right there. I'm gonna jump out the window. You can see the lines on my face. You know there's a window right here. I'll do it. I won't, but I'll think about it. So, since I watched one YouTube video and I feel like I know exactly what I'm doing, I have my aluminum foil and my bleach brush thingy, and I have bleach and developer right there. I have stocking cap. Let's get into it. hours since that last clip I filmed with like me doing my hair, but this is how it looks. See, acting on impulse doesn't always end in a police report or a case being filed. Sometimes it ends with really nice hair. This took a minute, and the clips are a little scattered because in between, like, there was like storage issues, you know, yada 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 yada, you know, all that good stuff. But we came through. I bleached a lot more of this than I thought I did, and then I bleached the knots. And then I flat ironed it, but it's body wave hair, so like it can only get so straight. But yeah, this is how it looks. Period. 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 I did my makeup. Not the best I've ever done. Not the worst either. Arm itches. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thank you. Thank you if you made this, you know, to the end of the video. I know people don't make it this far at all. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out all my social medias. There's Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, if you're feeling spicy. Remember to create your own happiness, and I will see you the next time I decide to embarrass myself in front of the internet. No, I'm just playing.